Now it's cold out. Now it's cold and raining. I have a hair on my head. Homer Simpson here. Ah, this weather is newts. What do you think, Lunar? Lunar! Don't tell me there's a hole in the back that you get out through. Now that I fixed the gate. Wonderful gate. She can jump out like nothing. Lunar! Lunar! Hanging out in Ravenwood Forest. Legit, you can put some fucking tents back here. This is where the nature school is going to be filmed. Then I can put my tents up. I'm going to put a tent here. We'll put 2 more tents over there. Nobody even knows we're here. You're like, who is it, Raffy? He used to walk through all the forest and over the log and stuff to get to the secret entrance. The spot where he plays guitar. I have a forest in my backyard. This place is freaking cool. Why would I hand this over to the state? Why would I let the provincial government say, hey, we're going to cash in on this place? Come here. Luna, I'm cold, and I can't trust you to be out here alone because you jump stuff and run away. Beautiful. Beautiful. Luna, come. Let's go inside. Come. I'm cold. I want to go check my coffee. Oh, there's a tree there. Luna, come. Come on. Let's go inside. Come. Come. Come on. Only a brief walk all the way back to the house. This place is fucking huge. Lunar, come. Come on. Lunar, come. You're gonna get left out in the rain. Come on. If you want your food that you keep bugging me for, come get it. Come on. Stem it. What? I gotta watch that gate. Oh, she thinks she's gonna dig under this side. Lunar, no. Come. Come. Come up. Lunar, come on. Wait. Come. Come in. Just stay still. I don't want you causing issues. You jump on my mom. It's not good for her health. Get your tail in. Get your tail in. Oh, at least I'm not walking around with that. Let's check the coffee. It's been brewing for like 20 minutes on this fridge stove. Good girl. Good girl. Not bad.